Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Semco Painting and Decorating. Please, if you want, subscribe and give us a like for this one. This segment I'm gonna call cheap is expensive. The reason why I'm doing this job, I'm painting this external ceiling. And someone who doesn't know how the building industry works and what should be used on the ceilings and how it should be done, when they look at this ceiling, they're gonna say, oh nice, very nice ceiling, but everything about this ceiling is wrong. First of all, they did not use right products. They use all internal products on an external ceiling. They use Gyprock, which is internal product. The plasterer set up the joints with internal plaster and base coat, and on top of everything, the painter comes along and does a flat internal paint on the ceiling. So everything about this ceiling is wrong. Why? 7-8 years later, all these ceilings and Gyprock on it sags. So the new owners have to replace all the ceiling down the track. They don't have money to do it now, but later on, maybe in a year or two, they're gonna replace all the ceiling. They are going to replace all the ceiling, or they're gonna pull all the Gyprock down and put proper materials on the ceiling. Proper materials, cement-based FC sheets, they should be on the ceiling. Same for the joints, external products. Paint, external paint, not internal. So the things like this don't happen. Why they did a shortcut like that? Probably they gave them a cheap quote. That's why I'm gonna call this video cheap is expensive. It doesn't mean if the price is cheap, you're gonna get the best of the job. And this is one of the proof that you're never gonna get the proper job with a very cheap price. Guys, do the research, go on Google. You can find everything there. Whenever you wanna do, there's always something on Google to check if the people who are coming out to give you the price doing the right thing. That will be for this one. Please leave some comments and questions. I will be happy to answer them. I've been in the industry, painting industry, for such a long time that I'm getting sick and tired fixing up someone else's mistakes that shouldn't be there at all. Thanks guys. These are the joints I've been talking about. You can see the line all the way through the joint. Same on this joint here. Setting, they probably put the plaster. Again, internal product, not external product. And you can see all the joints, even this one here. On the camera you cannot see actually how much this ceiling has sagged, but here it's a Gyprock, not fiber cement. And basically you can see all the joints all the way through.